17 awesome and useful gadgets that you will love. Who says you need a DeLorean to go back to the future? Hello, gentlemen of discerning tastes and tech obsession. Have you been on the lookout for some seriously cool gadgets that can turbocharge your day-to-day life? Well, your search ends here. Buckle up because we're about to take a joyride through the land of awesome and useful gizmos that will make you feel like you've time-traveled straight into the future. Trust us, these 17 picks are so rad you'll be contemplating building a shrine for them in your man cave. But before we begin, we've got a small request. If you're not already part of our awesome community, click on that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you won't miss out on the coolest gadgets that'll make your life easier, more fun, and significantly more high-tech. Now, let's get this party started with Best Cool Tech, where we're all about helping you navigate the world of tomorrow today. Hovding Bike Helmet. Calling all biking enthusiasts, you know the drill, safety first. But what if we told you there's a helmet out there that's got more brains than a Mensa gathering? Enter the Hovding Bike Helmet, the Einstein of safety gear that takes helmet technology and catapults it into the stratosphere. Forget those traditional bulky helmets that make you look like a bobblehead doll. The Hovding is as sleek as a Black Panther and as discreet as James Bond on a top-secret mission. It's a suave collar you'll wear around your neck and wouldn't look out of place on the runway. This helmet, with its sensors and cutting-edge airbag technology, can sense a crash quicker than Spider-Man's Spidey senses. In the blink of an eye, it inflates, forming a protective cocoon around your head and neck. Tesla Coil. Science buffs and DIY wizards, perk up your ears. The Tesla Coil is your new high-voltage best friend. This nifty gizmo packs a mighty punch with its mini Tesla coil, painting the air with stunning electrical arcs that will make your jaw drop. Think it's bulky? Think again. This sleek gadget is as portable as your smartphone, making every place your personal science lab. And don't fret about zapping yourself. It's got top-notch safety features to keep shocks at bay. So bid adieu to yawn-inducing science experiments and welcome the electrifying future of DIY with the Tesla Coil. It's not just science, it's magic. C3 Rover. Meet Rover, the remote-controlled cooler. Introducing the C3 Rover, your new indispensable companion for outdoor escapades. This isn't just a cooler, it's a high-tech survival kit on wheels. With its rugged, weather-resistant design, it's a walking fridge that keeps your food and beverages frosty for up to 3 days. The C3 Rover sports all-terrain wheels and a telescoping handle, making transportation a breeze. Say sayonara to your old boring coolers and embrace the future of outdoor adventure with the C3 Rover. Who knew roughing it could be so sophisticated? Stemplayer plus Stem Projector, Stem Central. The Stemplayer lets you summon a cinema anywhere. With its super powerful projector and a super small package, it lets you bring a blockbuster movie screen with you on any adventure. The device features a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate your movie and music library, plus create playlists. It also has expandable memory that allows you to store thousands of movie songs and comes with a library of curated flicks for you to enjoy. But one of its coolest features is its built-in rotoscoping, letting you cut out your favorite characters on the screen, even change the color palettes, adjust playback speed, and morph the screen shape. Smart Mirror. Step into the future with the Smart Mirror, the ultimate upgrade for your bathroom or dressing room. This cutting-edge mirror is more than just a reflection of your stylish self. It's a gateway to a world of information and entertainment. With its built-in display, you can check the weather, catch up on the latest news, or even indulge in your favorite videos while you primp and prep. And fear not, tech novices, installing the Smart Mirror is a breeze with our step-by-step instructions. Say farewell to mundane mirrors and embrace the brilliance of smart home technology with the Smart Home Mirror. Get ready to redefine your reflection and elevate your daily routine and style. Tap Strap 2. Get ready to tap your way into the future of technology with the Tap Strap 2. It's like having a secret superpower hidden right on your fingertips. Whether you're controlling your computer, texting your friends, or magically commanding your smart home, this sleek and snug wearable device will have you feeling like a tech-savvy wizard. Say goodbye to clumsy buttons and hello to the hilarious joy of tapping your way to tech domination. Get your Tap Strap 2 now and start living the touch-sensitive dream. Even if you haven't tapped your way into the future with the Tap Strap 2 just yet, you can still join the fun by hitting that like and subscribe button and keep up with the ultimate gadget solutions. Ember Mug. Are you tired of starting your day with a lukewarm disappointment? Say goodbye to cold coffee woes and embrace the warmth with the Ember Mug. This magical high-tech mug is your morning hero, equipped with a built-in heating system that keeps your precious brew at the perfect temperature for hours on end. No more rushed sips or sad reheats, my friends. And that's not all. The Ember Mug comes with a companion app that puts you in control. Customize your ideal temperature, receive notifications when your drink reaches perfection, and elevate your coffee game to new heights. So don't settle for less than steamy satisfaction. Hit that like and subscribe button to ensure you never miss a sip of piping hot bliss again. Mighty Mug. Is your clumsiness turning your drinks into mini indoor waterfalls? Fear not, my fellow spill-prone friends, because the Mighty Mug is here to save the day. This superhero of drinkware utilizes mind-blowing suction technology that defies gravity itself, sticking to any flat surface like a loyal sidekick. Say goodbye to spills, splashes, and embarrassing moments. With the Mighty Mug by your side, you can enjoy your favorite beverage with unwavering confidence. Airup Steel. Say goodbye to boring H2O and hello to a world of tantalizing flavors. With its innovative scent pods, the Airup Steel infuses your water with natural flavors, transforming every sip into a refreshing and delicious experience, all without the guilt of added sugar or calories. And not only does it revolutionize your hydration game, but it also rocks a sleek and durable design that'll turn heads wherever you go. Say farewell to monotonous sips and welcome the future of hydration with Airup Steel. Cheers to a thirst-quenching adventure. Sky Planter. This high-tech planter features a revolutionary hanging design that adds a touch of magic to any room. Imagine the beauty of lush greenery suspended in mid-air, creating a stunning and eye-catching display that'll leave your guests in awe. And the best part? The Sky Planter comes with a built-in self-watering system, ensuring that your plants receive just the right amount of hydration without the hassle of constant maintenance. Elevate your home decor and let nature take flight in style. Simplehuman Trash Can. Get ready for a trash can like no other. The Simplehuman Trash Can is a game changer in waste management. With its motion sensor, the lid opens and closes effortlessly without you having to touch a thing. But that's not all. It's voice activated too. Just a few words and the lid obeys your command. Say goodbye to odors with its built-in deodorizer, and its space-saving design fits perfectly against any wall. The future of trash disposal has arrived with the Simplehuman Trash Can. Theraface. If you suffer from headaches, jaw pain, or other facial discomfort, the Theraface could be the solution you've been looking for. This high-tech device uses microcurrent therapy to stimulate your facial muscles and relieve tension and pain. Plus, it has a sleek and portable design that allows you to use it on the go. Theraface has a rechargeable battery that can last up to 3 months on a single charge. AirPods Pro 2. If you're an Apple user, you're probably already familiar with the AirPods. But the AirPods Pro 2 take things to the next level. These high-tech earbuds feature active noise cancellation, so you can tune out the world around you and focus on your music or your podcast. Plus, they have a customizable fit that ensures a comfortable and secure fit in your ears. The AirPods Pro 2 can last up to 5 hours on a single charge, and the charging case can provide an additional 24 hours of battery life. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to the future of wireless earbuds with the AirPods Pro 2. Roborock S7. This high-tech robot vacuum is a game-changer in home maintenance. Equipped with advanced navigation technology, it effortlessly maps your home and skillfully maneuvers around obstacles. Plus, it can mop your floors simultaneously, giving you sparkling clean surfaces. With the Roborock S7, manual cleaning is a thing of the past. Embrace the future of floor care and let this smart robot do the work for you. Oral-B IO10. This cutting-edge electric toothbrush is revolutionizing oral hygiene with its AI-powered technology. It intelligently detects and guides the brushing movements in your mouth, ensuring a thorough and effective clean every time. With its sleek and stylish design, the Oral-B IO10 comes with a companion app that tracks your brushing habits and offers personalized coaching to enhance your oral hygiene routine. Upgrade to the Oral-B IO10 and embrace the next generation of dental care. Balmuda Toaster. Prepare to indulge in the perfect slice of toast, irresistibly crispy on the outside while staying moist and fluffy on the inside. With its sleek and modern design, the Balmuda Toaster adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Say farewell to lackluster toasters and embrace the extraordinary toasting experience with the Balmuda Toaster. We want to hear from you. Which of these incredible gadgets has caught your attention the most? Have you had the chance to try any of them before? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Best Cool Tech to stay up to date with the latest gadgets and tech innovations. Stay savvy, gadget lovers!